How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. So in order to do that procedure, you just have to go ahead and log in into your TikTok account. When you're logged in, you could just go ahead and press arrow icon looking right over here and then click on repost, or if you wish to remove that, just click on remove. When you've actually done that, you've successfully removed the repost feature. But then according to TikTok, there's no such way as to repost all of the content or all of the reposted content to be deleted at once. If you go to your profile and go to the repost icon here, you could just go ahead and press on do this one after the other, or else you could just go ahead and submit a to the customer support team. So tap the tab bar icon and then go to settings and privacy and go to help and click on submit a request, and then you would go ahead and submit a request stating that you wish your reposted content to be deleted. So that is the only way to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.